Hey guys, what's up? This is Bo. Wanted to do a quick video today. It's been a while since I shot one, and I just felt encouraged today to shoot a quick video. I hope that you will get some enjoyment out of it. And so here we go. So today, my topic is about being ambitious, and I think it's very important in 2020 as you think about some of the things you might want to accomplish and some of the goals you might have in 2020. And I want you to challenge yourself, and I want you to think real hard and dig down deep and find out, what am I passionate about? What's going to give me that drive every morning to get out of bed? And when you start to find those things that you are passionate about, begin to write them down. Don't just write them down, but pray about them. And as you go out through your day, I want you to just really dig deep and ask yourself, is this something that I can do the rest of my life? Because I think in this day and time, we have so many people that are just going from job to job and going from motion to motion. But I want to encourage you today. I want you to start just thinking about, what am I passionate about? You could be passionate about being a motivational speaker. You could be passionate about being a teacher. You could be passionate about being a lawyer. Whatever you want to be, right? Be passionate about it. Because I want you to understand this. Tomorrow's not promised. Whatever you want to do today, you have to do it today, because I think a lot of time we keep putting things off to tomorrow, to the next day, and to the next day. If you want to be great today. Thank you and have a great day.